You don't find happiness, you build it actually, with one decision at a time. Alam mo, ang tingin ng tao is yung happiness is something you stumble upon. Pwede mo naman talagang i-engineer ang kasiyahan. You gotta build systems that will ensure your happiness, that not just depend it or base it on mood. Mental discipline, physical health, money, and environment. Yan yung mga aspects na makakapag-guarantee ng kasiyahan. Kasi when you miss one, the whole system of happiness collapses. Kasi paano ka magiging masaya kung lagi namang pagod ang katawan mo, laging magulo ang utak mo, ang pera mo kulang-kulang at ang paligid mo toxic pa. Alam mo, happiness is really not the result of luck alone. It is the reward of alignment. So stop chasing the feeling or the mood. Start designing the framework that will guarantee your joy and happiness. Because it is not found. So don't look for it. It's built. So start creating it. One discipline at a time.